contest is open to everyone.
Rock, now we can use my jet-propelled skis.
Gosh!
On the bottom of each ski, there's a tiny rocket engine, see? You control them with this switch hidden in your pocket. With these skis, you're sure to win the contest.
And now for the next event, the ski jump. The first jumper will be Rockbottom. A terrific jump, folks. Terrific!
The next jumper will be Felix the Cat.
I'll have to go some to beat Rock skiing. Here goes. An elastic band. So that's it. Somehow, I have a feeling that the professor is behind this. I'll start over again.
Wow! What a sensational jump, folks! Sensational! The score is tied between Rock and Felix. It all depends on the final event, a ski race down Breakneck Mountain.
It looks kind of dangerous from here.
Don't worry, Rock. I'll confuse Felix by changing one of the arrows that mark the course.
They're off! Felix is in the lead, folks.
Here he comes. I'd better get busy.
So long, Felix.
Oh my gosh! A snowslide! Help! Help! Somebody save me!
Folks, the big ski meet is almost over. The final race down Breakneck Mountain is now in progress. Rockbottom and Felix the Cat are fighting for first place. And what? Why, that's funny. Felix has disappeared.
Oh, Felix went over the cliff. I can't lose now.
Gosh! I'm in a spot! Stuck on this ledge, and there's a snowslide coming! Yikes! This is the end! Look! It didn't even touch me!
Ladies and gentlemen, a snowball has just entered the race. The snowball is gaining on Rockbottom. What an unusual situation, folks. It doesn't seem to be covered in the rule book.
Jet rockets on the bottom of Rock's skis. This boy needs a lesson. I'll turn the jets around backwards.
Attention, Felix and Rock. The race will now resume.
Let's go, Rock!
Professor, help!
Oh, there must be some way to keep Felix from winning
and Felix has just crossed it to win the race.
Congratulations, Felix.
Thanks, Judge. I'm sorry the professor couldn't be here to see this.
Mr. Felix,
What is it, Poindexter?
I'm sleepy. I want to go to beddy by.
Go ahead. This book about Mars is so interesting, I can't stop.
Okay, Mr. Felix. Nighty-night.
There they are. Enough rocket ships to conquer the Earth. And no rocket fuel powerful enough to take them there. If I only had Poindexter's super rocket fuel. But alas, he's on Earth, out of my reach. Huh? Who are you, insignificant one?
I am Martin the Martian, sir, and I would like to join forces with you.
With me? Why?
Well, if you invade Earth, you'll leave Mars to us Martians.
True. But how can you help me?
I can go to Earth and get that Poindexter for you.
Fine, fine.
Then it's agreed. If I bring Poindexter, you leave Mars forever.
Yes, yes. But how are you going to get to Earth?
Easy, with one of my fourth dimension space capsules. It's really very simple. Observe.
Well, I'll be a Sherman tank.
Gee, that was a good book. But those Martians... Huh? That's a strange box. There's something funny going on around here.
No, Mr. Felix. Stop!
Uh-oh, here comes the space capsule. What? Felix? You?
Whom did you expect?
Okay, wise guy.
Oh! Oh, no! Hey, why are you doing this to me?
Why? I'll tell you why. I sent a Martian to bring me Poindexter, and you show up.
I get it. You want Poindexter's super rocket fuel formula so you can invade the Earth.
Correct, wise guy. All these rockets and no rocket fuel to carry them to Earth.
Well, I'm back, Master Cylinder. Poindexter agreed to come to Mars in my space capsule and make his rocket fuel.
Well, start working.
Okay, Mr. Cylinder.
Well, Master, I did my part.
Now you pay off.
Pay off? Sure. There.
Hey, haven't I seen you before?
I am Martin the Martian.
Oh, do you know how to get out of here?
Sure. Watch.
Yikes!
We Martians can do anything if we really try. Now let's find your friend Poindexter.
Here's your super rocket fuel, Master Cylinder. But be careful. That stuff is dangerous.
Explosion!
And there goes the Master Cylinder.
He's heading for a rocket ship.
Yes, for number one, the big one.
The rocket control. There he goes.
Nice going, Mr. Felix.
Poinsy boy, are you okay?
Yes, Mr. Felix, but awfully sleepy.
It must be midnight for you Earthmen. Here, go on home.
The space capsule.
At your service, gentlemen.
Goodbye, Martin. Thanks. That space capsule is quite a gadget. It not only brought us home, but it also put us to bed.
Felix the Cat loans.
Come in. Well, Rockbottom, what can I do for you?
I want to borrow $1,000.
Okay. Take off your right shoe.
My shoe? What is this?
Just a formality.
Here you are.
Just a minute. Here, Sniffer. Is he a good credit risk? No? Okay, thanks. Sorry, Rock. I can't lend you the money.
Yeah? Why not?
Because you're not a good risk.
Okay, wise guy. Give me the money.
You won't get away with this.
Never mind that. Open the safe or...
All right. 17, 21, 9.
Now get me $1,000.
Here, robber.
Thanks, chum. And now... So long, sucker. Here, Professor. I got the money.
Good. Now we can go on our vacation. Did you have trouble borrowing it?
Yeah, he wouldn't give it to me, so I took it.
What? I told you to get it legally.
But, Professor, it was so easy.
There is a better way. Ah, Felix the Cat loans. And there's the safe. 17, 21, 9.
The professor!
Felix, I want to apologize for Rock's rude behavior.
Thanks, Professor.
Not at all. You were in there a long time. A shot of oxygen will fix you up.
Professor, take the money.
Thanks.
The oxygen is wearing off. And I gave him the money. Okay, Sniffer, trace him. Sniffer's been gone a long time. Oh, here they come.
Here's your money, Felix.
Good work, Sniffer. How did you do it?
Hey, Professor, how long are we in for this time?
Not too long. Only 10 days.
But, Professor, how long does a day last here at the North Pole?
6 months. The same as the nights. 6 months. Rock, we're in for 10 years.
10 years? Then we'll never catch Felix and the walrus.
And if we don't, we'll never get the $10,000.
Professor, what's these bars made of?
Same as everything else here. Ice. Ice. Rock, have you an ice pick?
Yeah, Professor, right here in my pocket.
Then start chipping. We're breaking out.
How are you doing, Walter? I get it. You're hungry. But how can I get you food? There's nothing but ice here. Okay. I'll think of something. I gotta get him some fish. But how? I got it. Okay. A bite. Another one. Now one for myself. Huh? Polar bears? Maybe they won't bother me.
We got him, Professor.
The professor in bear clothes.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, Rock, into the water.
Hey, this water is cold. Walter, help!
Save your breath. He's full of fish. Here's some bubble gum to keep you quiet.
Bubble gum? Oh, thanks.
Into the drink, chump.
And no cover charge. A nice tight fit, Rock. Well, Rock, we're on our way to prosperity.
Yeah, shoving Felix under the ice was a smart move.
Yes, now we can sell his walrus to the zoo for $10,000.
Gee, this bubble gum sure scared that fish away. And it keeps me from drowning, too. But I gotta get out of here fast. This ice is solid. If I only had a saw. Huh? A sawfish. Don't worry, fella. I just want to borrow your saw. Thanks. Now, which way did they go? Tracks. They went that way. But it's a long walk on this slick ice. If I had some skates, but I haven't. What I need is an ice bicycle. An icicle.
Hey, Professor, what's that mountain?
It's a mountain of ice called the Great Barricade.
Gee, Professor, how are we going to get over that?
We'll have to climb it.
What about our walrus?
We'll carry him over.
Are you all right, Professor?
I'll show you. It's easy, Rock. Bring the walrus.
Professor, you slipped.
It's no use, Rock. That ice is as slick as ice.
Look, something is coming.
Felix, you're careless. You knocked Rock cold.
Yeah, that's just too bad.
Anyway, you're trapped. Nobody can get over the ice barrier.
Well, I'm somebody, and I'm getting out of here right now.
Braggart.
Hey, Professor, do you miss anything?
No, but unless my eyes deceive me, we've both missed the boat.
Well, think hard, boss. We're broke. We gotta find money in a hurry.
Where? But where?
Shh, there, look. Gold.
Gold. Beautiful.
Right pretty. And there's more where that came from.
More?
My, oh my.
Quick, boss. Felix.
Well, Captain Sou'wester.
Felix, my old friend.
What's new, Captain?
I'm going on a trip and wish you'd take care of something for me.
Of course, anytime.
Fine. I want you to take care of my little pet whale.
A whale?
Yes, and she likes to hear this music box play. Makes her so happy that she gives me gold. Then she takes a nap.
A whale gives you gold?
Sure, she's full of gold. She gets it from sunken treasure ships.
A whale full of gold. Rock, this is for us.
Okay, Captain. She'll get her music.
Fine, Felix. You'll find her down at the Pirate's Cove in the morning. And keep the gold the whale gives you, but let her take a nap.
Pirate's Cove in the morning. We'll go now and wait. Here's Felix. Down.
Well, here's the cove, but no whale in sight. Maybe a little music will make her show. Uh-oh. Gee, for me? Thanks. Hey! Hey, let go! Stop! Stop!
Don't wake up the whale.
Well, well, all dressed up in clamshells and seaweed.
You!
When she hears the music box play, she'll pay off in gold and then take a nap. Now take your nap.
You two crooks had better let me out of here.
Yeah, well, as of now, we've taken over your whale business.
'Cause we like the gold she gives.
Yeah, and she's full of the gold she takes from sunken treasure ships.
Captain Sou'wester owns that whale and all the gold that's in him.
I'm thinking. That's a whale of a lot of gold. If that whale is full of gold, what can we do about it?
Go in and get it, that's what.
Are you crazy?
No, while it's asleep, we can go in easy-like.
Maybe we could. Remember, Rock, tiptoe.
You'll be sorry.
Easy, Rock.
It's slippery. Oops. Boss, look, look. 3 cheers for the treasure. Hooray! 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 Help! Boss! Help!
Now the wet seaweed can be stretched. The wind is blowing in the right direction. Maybe she'll hear this. Back again. That's a good girl. Our professor on Rockbottom still with you? Well then, let them out. You'll get no more music till you free them.
She's weeping. Phooey.
Thanks again. Now you can relax. Okay, let them out.
Something smells fishy. Ugh.
Boss, we smell fishy.
Well, I guess my garden is ready for planting. Now, where did I put those
Fee, fi, fo, fum, bum, be, bum, doo, doo, da, bo.
Gosh, I wasn't kidding. A giant! Uh-oh, he's coming this way. I better hide. Phew. Oh, no! Yay! There is a good place to hide. Say, oh, there's nothing like a good hayloft to hide in. Huh? Huh? I'm in the giant's pipe. Gosh, now what? Here I am, stuck in the giant's pipe. I never should have let that mystery plant carry me up in the clouds to the giant's castle. Oh! Hey, that stuff tickles. Achoo!
Huh? I need more tobacco.
Now's my chance. Phew.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
Well, what have we here? Do you know what happens to visitors here?
No, I don't. And I'm not staying to find out.
He must be around here someplace hiding. I'll find him. Oh. Now I've got you. Ho.
Yay! Here's where I came in. My magic plant will get me down. Oh, where is it? It's gotta be here. Maybe it's over there. Where is it? Huh? Yay! Gee, thanks. Okay, full speed ahead. Uh-oh, there's that rain cloud again. Huh, I forgot how good this plant is at ducking. Huh? Where did it go? Oh, there you are.
you idiot. It's empty.
I couldn't help it, boss. That Felix is a tough customer.
We'll see if he can resist my lovesick squirt gun.
What, again?
Fill her up. What a water pistol.
What a nice man! What an angel of a guy! Yo! I've been robbed!
Oh, that lovesick squirt gun is great. But unfortunately, the effects wear off quickly. Well, I know what to do about that.
You got a tail? Oh, me too. You lion? Cat? Lion? Cousins!
Stop him! Lion, get Felix for me.
Cousin?
Come with me, officer. See? Felix and the money are gone.
Rockbottom! This is the professor's work.
They got Felix?
The other way around, boss!
Arrest me. I want to please Felix.
Amazing!
So's this water pistol. Somebody turned off the switch. Horses, I can't get them out unless I find the switch. Memo to range detective. Felix, be on lookout for tricky horse thieves. Suspect Rockbottom and the professor in Gulch City. Check.
Here comes another one, Professor.
I'll play the tune that throws the switch.
Welcome, stranger. Come in and join all the other strangers with the lost horses. They're waiting to catch the horse thief. Let's have that tune, Professor. Here comes another one. Nothing's happening.
wanted. Horse thief reward.
Wanted. Horse thief. Reward. So that's him. If I ever get my hands on him, why, that horse thief...
And there he is now.
Horse thief? He's a varmint. Why, that coyote...
Hold on, boys. I'm an officer of the law. See my badge. Where's my badge?
He ain't got no badge. He's a horse thief.
No.
Take him, Rock. I'll own every horse in the West.
Raw, horse thief.
Well, if I must. My 6 guns. Where's my 6 guns?
Get him. Look out, you fool! He'll get away! Stop him! After him, men! He stole your horses!
Let's get him. Yeah, that's it. Come on, boys. Let's go after that boy.
I'll go this way. You take the men that way, Rock.
Okay, men. Follow me.
I wanted to have a look at the horses I stole with my clever electromagnet invention. Mine, all mine, and Felix gets the blame.
If I could find the switch for that magnet, the case would be solved. But where is it?
Felix, he must be back at the hotel.
Let's see now. I was riding along and... Hey, a wire attached to the piano. So that's how he did it. The piano turns on the magnet.
Back to the hotel, men. The horse thief is there.
Let's go.
There's the horse thief, men. Get him.
Hold on. See this? There's your horse thief.
No.
Let me prove it with these horseshoes.